Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 11. So this module 11 and next module 12 are a lot. It's like our last big push before we get kind of towards the end. So you have a little bit more time to finish both of these, but really don't delay working on them because both of them are big modules. So for module 11, we're doing ER and IR verbs. So in modules 9 and 10, we did AR verbs. Now we have the other two types of regular verbs, so ER and IR. And we also have information questions. So we already did yes/no questions. Now we have information questions. So make sure you go over all the information for that. And then once again, we have the information about the final project. Again, I don't want you to start working on the final project yet until after module 12, at least, because we have one more topic there that has to be in there. But just make sure you know what it is and you know what you need to do and you can find someone that you're going to film with so we don't get to the end and you don't have anybody to film with. Okay, so regular assignments, we have our homework packet, the speaking assignment, and the quiz. So like I said, get started as soon as you can because this one's longer. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.